You're the backbone of this organization.
Backbone?
The skull.
Without Nico Bodolite. Nico Bodolite. Nico Bodolite. Yan. Hindi, ang gagawin namin, bibili mo yung pagkain. Yan. Tapos, mamimigay lang kami. Kasi feeling namin,
There's a feeling when you help each other.
Yung ilaw.
Drago Light. Yan.
Yan.
Gawin mong light. Hindi. Maganda po kasi yung naging year namin ngayon. Yan. So parang balak namin na syempre mag-share back naman yung mga benefits po na...
take note share back! Share back. Share back the Sherwood.
So napag-usap-usapan po namin na syempre makatulong naman po na yung mga mamamayan natin na malungkot ang Christmas tsaka New Year.
There was a time when I was alone, nowhere to go and no place to call home. My only friend was the man in the moon, and even sometimes he would go away too.
Kumain na kayo, kuya? Gusto nyong kasi magbibigay po kami ng
Merry Christmas po.
Merry Christmas, kuya.
Happy New Year.
Ano pangalan niyo, kuya? Kasi meron kami extra dito eh. Ayan. Kain kayo, kuya. Taga saan ba kayo, kuya? Ayun, ano kasi, kami?
Kamusta po ang Christmas? Pag may pasok.
Nung Pasko dami ng Pasko, no? Kaya salamat.
Sige po.
Pasok.
In these fast times, chasing lifelines for a lifetime. I've had my heart in the right place at the wrong time with the right girl in another world. Maybe we would be together still. If you hear this and resent that, I don't give a shit, I'll let it spill. I don't give a damn, I'll keep it real. Cause by now I hope you know the drill. I would never lie, young forever, I ain't ever gonna die. Told me grow up and I went and showed them why I could make it. I showed them the power in youth, power in truth. The younger you stay, the closer you are to your roots. That's the reason I know I can teach you how to hit the skies, rise above them without getting high. But if it help a bit, take a little hit, take a little sip. Put your mind at ease, swear you got the keys. You can have your dreams, that's up to you, not what others believe. Jeez, I swear that's the part that took longest for me. Cause when I drop into a beat, I detach from
Dito lang po kayo. Ito yung mga gamit ko po. Ano pong pangalan niyo? Po? Ray, Nico po. Ano po, kumain na po ba kayo?
Oo, tapos na.
Kumain na po kayo? Kayo lang po mag-isa?
Dalawa, may kasama akong dalawa. Merienda po.
Nagmerienda na po kayo? Nagmerienda na po kayo?
Nagtanghalian po.
Saan kayo kumakain? Saan kayo kumakain usually?
Bumili minsan ng mga kasama ko.
Kasi may dala kasi kami. Ano? Meron kami.
Pang merienda po.
Ba't kayo may saklay, kuya? Ba't kayo may saklay?
Polio po.
Ay! Kailan ka po nagka-polio, kuya?
Bata pa lang ako, 1 year old.
Ilan taon na ba?
Ayan, pagpupro na.
Ako, ulitin ako po kayo. Ayan po, para...
Ay, salamat po nito.
Merry Christmas.
Salamat po.
Salamat po. Merry Christmas.
I found company inside a song. Take it off your chest, throw it in a poem. If they try to flex, show them where you going. Hating on your past, kill them with your moment. When you get the chance, drive it like you stole it. She said, I don't wanna grow up, I gotta go keep my passions alive. Please say you've heard of a place I can fly where nothing's impossible. That's why.
Diba? Sige, go. Kuya! 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 Ali! Dami sasakyan! Ito ba?
Happy New Year po! Merry Christmas!
Thank you! Ingat!
You can stay young forever if you follow your heart. No 9 to 5, tear the soul apart. Keep it safe, you can keep your soul in art. We can live alive, we would rather die. If I don't live for this, I am not alive. I don't deserve the breath, I don't deserve the steps, don't deserve the criticism or compliments. This is who I am, this is what I do. Outside of Neverland, I don't have a clue. They call us lost, but this is the place where we're found. Take my hands,
Ano oras ka lumabas? Ano lang, grabe. Hindi ka na hindi ka nagugutom. Pwede pang ito na ng bayad. Pwede ito na ng bayad namin. Ano to eh? Pang-merienda at saka pang-merienda mo. Nakita kasi namin. Hindi na ba ako gusto niya? Pero magbabayad pa rin ako. Ayun, nilagay mo sa. Anong maalam mo kaya? Kaya na kaya? Sabi ka muna.
From Neverland, usually hanging out with Peter Pan. And when we're bored, we play in the woods. Always on the run from Captain Hook. Run, run, lost boy. They say to me.
Yan yung ako. Bakit yung tatay ko eh? Merienda na kayo kuya? Ito kuya oh, hindi ko bigyan eh. Kasama yung pagkain kuya. Sa inyo na lang kuya. Hindi, seryoso. Seryoso kuya. Ayun, nakita kasi namin.
Promise that you'll never be lonely.
Neverland is home to lost boys like me, and lost boys like me are free. Neverland is home to lost boys like me, and lost boys like me are free.